The one thing that I do remember was sitting in the criminal law class, and we were talking about the theories of punishment, whether it's retribution or deterrence or incapacitation. So all those theories that you think about philosophically about what's the point of punishing someone. But that concept didn't really ring true with me until I became a prosecutor. I had a case, it was a bank robbery case, and the defendant robbed a bank at the age of 73 years old. And he actually went into the bank walking with a cane because he had recently had hip replacement surgery. But he did have a gun, and he did rob the bank. And of course, he was apprehended just a couple of days later by the FBI. And when the FBI agents approached him, he said, "I just want to go home," meaning he just wanted to go back to prison. And this is an individual who had really spent the bulk of his adult life in and out of the prison system, whether it's federal or state. But I remember when it came time to sort of decide for what kind of sentence should be advocated for in that situation, I was really conflicted, because here you have an individual where if you try to throw the book at him, it's almost giving him exactly what he wants. You're rewarding the exact behavior that you're trying to deter. So I remember thinking it was a conundrum, and how can I sort of go back to the principles that I learned in law school to sort of really parse this situation and try to determine what's really the right thing to do here. There was something about going through the experience at the law school that makes you believe that by the time you come out, I can solve tough problems. I can figure this out. I can pick this problem apart and put it back together in a way that makes sense.